Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here with a new project share. This is a memory book made out of recycled materials. So let's take a look. So this book here is another one of the projects that I created for my digital magazine, which I'm gonna link down below. This is the volume 8 summer edition, and this is a summer memory book. Now I created this book using a package, recycled packaging, which is this padded envelope, and it is one of the Amazon padded envelopes that sometimes you get when you buy your tape or things like that. And I went ahead and cut that to the size that I wanted, and I score to get the spine that I wanted. Again, on the magazine you'll find the step-by-step picture instructions with the exact measurements and everything if you want to follow that. But then I use that envelope, and I love, number one, how it feels because it was padded. It feels very quilted even though it's all made out of paper and recycled packaging. And I did use my sewing machine to kind of create more of that quilting effect. Now I cut the design paper, so again I have that patch work and not just one solid piece, and I did that on the back as well. And I think the stitching just makes this look a little bit more quilted, but of course even without the stitching you just play around with your paper. If you don't use a sewing machine, you can definitely just doodle some of the stitches and that would also look really cute as well. And I am calling this book This is Summer. I just really like this collection. This is by Echo Park. I think the name is This is Summer. I can't remember, but again, one of the collections that has been on my stash. I love the colors. And now for the inside, I wanted this to kind of look very deconstructed, very messy in a way, and just fun and just kind of going with the flow as summer should be. Just kind of relaxing and just not doing much but enjoying life basically. And so I went ahead also and attached the pages by simply running this through my sewing machine, so it was really easy to do, kind of like a journal style binding here, or like a Midori album style binding. Again, I show you that on the magazine, but also you can imitate the same by simply adding your journals or your pages to the same way you will do a journal with the 3-hole technique, if you know what I mean. And you can also create the signatures differently, the way that you create your mini album signatures, and just attach a little piece here and glue it to the spine. So different ways that you can be creative and create something very similar. But the point of this journal is to just simply have different pages to turn this into a memory book, and just glue things on top, add pictures, some magazine cutouts. If you go on a tour or excursion, like maybe put some maps and make it very scrappy. And that's why I purposely created all of these pages, different sizes. I love the colors on this collection. One thing I'll probably still do is round the corners for some of the pages. I didn't do that because I don't know if I'm gonna glue maybe a picture that is the size of the pages, or maybe some maps. You can also glue some lace or some things on the side to make it even more pretty and fun. So yeah, so super easy project. I just wanted to share this with you, again trying to showcase one of the or some of the projects that are included on the magazine. Quick and easy projects to create during the summer, during the busier times. You don't have to create always a very large interactive album. You can also create more simple versions of projects to continue documenting the journey of your beautiful life. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.